How to find emergency contact on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Health and tap on it. You are now in the Health Settings page. From here, you can find options to manage your medical ID, control app permissions for accessing your health data, and even enable or disable the health app itself. Go to the Medical Details section and tap on Medical ID. On this page, scroll down to Emergency Contacts as shown. You can view all your emergency contacts over here. Following these steps, you can easily find emergency contact on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.